Good morning. Today we're going to be talking about the different types of slope. So we all know we have four different types of slopes. We have a negative slope, we have a positive slope, we have a zero slope, we have an undefined slope as well. So they're all slopes. But how do I figure out if this graph or if the slope is negative, positive, zero, or undefined? Well, let me show you. We just have to flip the page. So first we're gonna determine the positive slope. If it's a positive slope, then that means it is going from right to left, by meaning it goes like this. The arrow starts from here and goes and stops over here. That's how you determine a positive slope. It's really easy. If it's going from from the right to the left, then no thinking, it is a positive slope. However, if we are talking about a negative slope, we go from the left all the way to the right. And all these numbers over here will become negative numbers. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on until you finish the graph. Now, what is a zero slope? Okay, a zero slope is a slope on the same line, by meaning it will look like this. It's on the same horizontal line. That's how you determine a zero slope. طيب, what about an undefined slope? Something that is generally undefined. Then it's on the same vertical line, like this. If it's on the same vertical line, then it's an undefined slope. No thinking. If it's on the same vertical line, this is an undefined slope. Now, moving on, let's have some actual problems of the graph. On our drawn graph over here, our points are 0 and 3 and 4 and 1. So let's plot these with a ruler. So we have the points going that way. And we do the line and it goes downwards. So if it's going from right to left, it is a positive slope because, again, it's going from right to left. Now, the next problem we have over here, we have 12, 11, and 6, 7. So 12, 11, and 7, 6. Okay. So if we grab them from over there and we start counting the slope, and this is a negative example problem. Now, if both my points are on the same line, or on the same horizontal line, this is a 0 because if you roll them by the ruler, it's on the same horizontal line. So this is a 0 without any explanation. Now, moving on, if we're looking something undefined, my points are, for example, on 11. I'm gonna give this example quite honestly. So if it's on 11 and 7, but they have to be on the same line, so like here, this is an this is an undefined slope because it's on the same vertical line. So I'm just gonna say some explaining over here. This could wrap up, I believe. Yeah, wrap up. What we're gonna say is we're gonna repeat what we said. What was a positive slope? A positive slope over here is a slope that has two variables. So over here, if we look back, it has two variables that are positively related. That is when the x increases, so does the y. When the x decreases, the y also decreases. Graphically, if we look at the graph over here, a positive slope means it moves from the left all the way to the right. Okay? Now, if we are going to talk about the negative slope, a negative slope basically indicates that the two factors are negatively related. يعني الاتنين دول are negatively related. Okay. Are negatively related. Moving on. When the x rises, كل ما ال x بيrise to the sides, the y falls. And when the x falls, the y rises. Okay? A negative slope on the graph indicates that the line on the sides, as it passes through the left to the right, That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions, please comment them. Thank you so much. Have a great day.